How are the police going to know this place? I mean, who kidnap? Did you just kidnap a general? This guy na general now. Yeah. Bro, police around. Police they around. Police they around. Get your weapon ready, bro.
So, are you going to allow me to see the hostage or not? Hey, Barry, who is in charge here? Let me know who is in charge.
The person in charge is Mr. Bonaboy, see, we've been doing this thing for hours now, and yet we have not come to any conclusion.
Let me see if she's okay.
The hostage is okay. You can ask Bad Boy Vic. The hostage is okay.
How will I know that she's okay? I said I'm the one in charge here.
The hostage is okay.
You are the only one allowed to go in.
Let me tell you,
I'm not trying to kidnap the hostage.
Let me tell you something. It is in the PD rule. She is allowed to use the radio in times of emergency. Okay, it's in
She's
the PD
not
rule.
allowed to use the radio while on vacation.
Bonaboy,
follow me. Only
Bonaboy, go back.
Listen, sir, listen. This is what is going to happen. So Bonaboy, come with me. Only you.
Tiny, stop pointing your weapon. Tiny, stop pointing your weapon.
Hey, guys, don't point weapon. Don't point weapon. Okay.
Tell your colleague to take his weapon away.
If you take weapon away, Mbano.
We are not going to kill the PD. Just tell him to keep the weapon. We are not going to kill the PD. We are here to negotiate. We want you to meet our demand. So PD, you can keep your weapon. It's not you we want. You are not going to give us what we want. So we need PD alive. So sir, Bonaboy, please come with me.
You want to keep this one off. Is Osakwete camp scores.
Bonaboy, this is not what we agreed. Don't
move outside, sir. Move outside.
You have to move.
How far go back? What's the card define here? Jonas, carry your car go outside.
Tell your PD to go outside.
Jonas, 1 to 5. If you don't carry your car, go shoot them.
Wait. The general will tell his PD, his police to go outside. We are not playing here. I took days to plan this. I know how much I don't spend for this.
Because it
Can you tell your boy to move out?
It's because of your training. It's sure for you. Say if you come back, you go kill all of us. Even before you take your PD, I don't fair do army faction.
You even get this into the phone.
Now your colleague is inside already to speak with the hostage. You can stay here and wait for him. You are not allowed to go inside, okay?
Take backup mounts this place, and I go in our place. You know, make us do everything. All of our gang, no worry.
Bad boy B, you don't see the talk again.
See, we not pass this location when we do so. This place, we got to come to an agreement for this place.
I said that what I said. I told you guys that this backup. I told you this.
Now play the play. I told the guys is serious. I don't know why I do like that. Play.
You know, as you they tell me, you get back up, me get back up. I tell you, say I take this, take this thing.
Your backup.
You not even understand.
No be your backup at the
No, don't worry. Let me activate my own article 14. Then you go know what they talk about since. I just want message.
Skibby. So what are you saying?
I said that 200k doesn't work. You just have to improve it. I said 500k. I know you can do better than that.
How much do you think they are paying us that are requesting for 500k?
Firstly,
All these people are people to back up. Alright.
I say no worry. They go pull up for this place. So what can either happen is we need to come to an agreement. You need to take the offer on the table. You need to take the offer on the table. It's for your own benefit, you understand? It doesn't have to just escalate. We can de-escalate this thing amongst ourselves, to try and cut the deal. That both parties will be happy with, you understand? Every life is important, so that's why we want you to understand. Like I said, Skibi, you are doing this thing for the family. You want to make mama proud. I feel you, man. I feel you, man. I also say so. She also has a family too, so you need to be considerate here. I know your boys, everybody get their family, but you understand. Also, nobody say they pay us better for where we did. We just want, we understand how the streets be, for una. We did for una. No worry. We sabi, understand.
We deal with the present. We deal with the present. We don't think about the future. Now is now. Future is future.
You be happy of say you get other things to plans, other missions to carry out. I know see na be dangerous gang. You feel me? So the deal on the table was the last day I dropped was 100. You understand? 103 passive. Say una plenty for year. As a reasonable leader, you want to put your your gang's member life at stake, and you want to put them. You understand? So you're gonna get free passage and you're gonna get 100k. Understand? For the whole stage, good for everybody. So una go just and buy gas. You understand? Say gas no cost.
We get gas, guys. We tell everyone.
Hello, bro. Let me tell you, we are all not beggars here. Because we're doing this shit doesn't mean we're beggars, okay? You all are fucking getting paid. Okay, I don't know your rank. Because as a rank 12, they get up to 40k plus paid every 30 minutes. So don't tell me shit.
I don't talk too much.
No verse. I beg. So the thing is, why you no go want free passage? Say you want me to shoot after we don't pay you money.
We no care, bro.
You need to put your life on the line. Is that what you're saying? You will need to put your life on the line.
Let me tell you, everybody here is here to die for each other. Yeah, but this is not. Let me tell you, this is not the reason why we are not scared of our life, because this is not our first time doing this.
I just said to be die for the
in a shootout. Okay, this is not our first time being in the shootout, so we do this shit every day. You don't expect me to be working as a police officer and still be scared of our
life. You are not afraid of a gunfight.
Let me tell you something. If it is today that we are going to die here, okay,
police
as long as the money is going to get to our families, we have no issue about that. As long as the money is going to get to our family at home, we are doing this for the family, bro. That's why we are here. We are all here to die for each other. Tell your men to move back, or we are going to start this shit, bro. Tell them to move back and turn up your coat soon.
Calm down.
Your coat soon.
Hold on for me. I want
calm down. Lucky, go back. Lucky, go back. What be saying? If you go back, you should just stay alert. You can tell how composed they are. I don't want to talk too much here, please. If I talk too much, no problem for now. Just stay in position, please.
Please, hello. Wait, first of all, I want a clear passage. My people are coming. Tell your men not to
what you mean? I think you were saying you like you don't care about people.
Yeah, my men are coming up. That's why I asked you to move the car so they can.
Nobody's coming in and going out here.
I guess I'll just tell them to start shooting you. I'll just tell them to start shooting from behind. I think that will be better.
But you just call more police.
Lucky, I don't want anybody passing this place and going out, no in and out. The thing is, we don't want to involve. I see you people are willing to put your life on the line, but we don't want to involve. We don't want anybody life to be at stake.
Everybody. Bad boy. Wait. Hold on. That's just the final thing, okay? 500k, no free passage. You can go talk to your management, okay? That's the final.
Hey, chill now. We're trying to
you guys block the road. None of them should get in.
Relax now. We're trying to cut a deal here. You feel me? Lucky, get busy. Jonas, nobody goes in and out of this place, okay? I don't want anybody in here. I don't want to involve more life in this thing. You feel me? I don't want to involve more life in this thing. As you people are willing to die for these things, it means the fact that you're also a civilian and
Guys, make sure nobody pass these cars.
our basic rule, our basic rules.
Calm down, calm down.
Life and property. Our basic duties and responsibilities.
I say, who is the leader here? Who is in charge here?
Your situation thing.
Johnson.
Mr. Low and Mr. Johnson is in charge.
Shooting, what's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Like I don't want anybody passing here. I don't know why people are still coming in here. I don't know. Nobody should come in. Nobody goes in and out of this place. Nobody goes in. Nobody leaves this place. That was the instruction. Nobody leaves this place.
On those commands.
Mr. Wait, before we go, man. Mr. Bonaboy, Mr. Bad Boy, you guys think about it, talk to each other. I told you 500 guys no free passage. You can go and talk to each other, then come back and give me a better view. If you want to talk to me, you can just tell them they are going to call me. I don't come.
So listen. I don't want to talk to so many people. I just want to talk to the leader of this, somebody in charge of this whole
They in charge.
I'm not talking to William. I want to talk to one person. It's coming the person that is in charge of the whole thing.
Skibby, go. You can talk to Skibby.
Skibby, come with me. If anybody try and force their way, see, just taste them out and arrest the person. I wanted to talk to you.
Okay. So we are giving you 3 minutes, just 3 minutes to think about it. If you don't want to make the deal, then we're leaving this place for either the good way or the bad way.
All set.
How's it? Everybody fall back, bro. I want everybody behind.
Please
behind
tell
the
your men
fence,
to move
behind
back.
the
Tell your
fence.
men to move back.
We have
We're
nothing
not
to talk to them already. If you want, bro, you guys are not even. You are too small. You are too small for us.
I tell bad boy. Bad boy big say this matter. I use the escape planner. It is how they talk anyhow.
We
Bad
got
boy
more.
big.
Let the trucks come inside.
Here, all of you here, 2 of you here. Yeah.
Seriously, what the hell? Not ready to do that.
Yeah, bring the truck.
Moving.
Oh my God.
Take the truck in.
Sheep from me. Good fish from me.
I feel like I'm going
We know
back.
they crazy here. Today, we know they crazy.
Mr. Bonaboy.
Let me tell you.
Mr. Bonaboy. So what are you offering? I want to hear. What are you offering?
I'm giving it 200k without free passage and 100k with free passage.
You know what? Maybe I should put on the suit and you be at this other side, and I tell you I'm giving you 100k with the amount of squad here. So I'm going to be giving them 1k, or what is it called? Giving them $50 or what? You see amount of people who put into this. So that's why you have to give us an offer that is, that is encourageable. Because you can see the amount of work we put in to get this done. We are not paying. You know that yourself. You have seen it yourself. I'm going to be killing the hostage. I mean this one for real now. I'm not going to play this RP.
So these your officers. You have. They have family. They want to go and meet. Pay our money, bro. Some of them will not be seeing their family tonight. I know that.
For real.
Just pay the money. They were out of here.
350k. Don't worry about the free passage. We are professionals. We know our job.
Bro, what's in there?
Okay, you guys don't want to talk to. No problem. Let me give you the hostage.
No, bro, they have the hostage already. They have the hostage. Like, they have the hostage location.
This bad boy and the other
Yeah, they
story
did
full of
that. That shit
Amachi
happened to me with the military. To me with the military the last time, and that's not cool. That's not really cool.
Hey, yo, bro, what kind of shit is this? You guys should listen to me. You guys should listen to me, bro.
Kilo Shele.
Hello, VDM, sir. So, more contact para military.
God Almighty, para.
Alpha. Alpha.
Bad boy and the other police, they come to this GM, they arrest my fucking men. Now some of them in jail, bro.
Shit. So where's the hostage?
They have they bossed this place, they were too much. Even the other guy that I asked them to like come here. Now they are in jail. Bullet is in jail. Some of them are in jail, bro.
Alpha. What you talk serious?
That guy, that playboy guy, we joined gang.
We supposed to find that bad boy, that police officer would be a bad boy. So who's find them, kill him.
I know you're with you.
What do you say?
That playboy.
Come this side. How you see?
Thanks. Wow. Same thing exactly. I swear. Is this your only car? Okay, nice. I love this your car. Same thing exactly like my car. Oh, for real? That means we are smoking same weed. Bad guy. Let's go back.
We are kidnapping you now. Oh, you are telling us we are playing. We are kidnapping you.
Nah, bro, see, let me tell you, this does not have to end this way, but I know your car is messed up. We could give you a free ride. So you could just talk about this and you make the payment and you leave. Okay?
Where are you going? Mama, you want shoot?
He's dead, guys.